Hi, in this video I'm going to demonstrate two of the if statement forms, the SimpleIf and the IfElse. And we're going to do that with an example of a pass-fail test. So we'll start with the SimpleIf. So the problem is this, is that we're going to enter a grade for a test. And if the grade is 70 or above, then the person taking the test passes. Otherwise they fail. So this is a classic example of a problem that needs an if statement. So let's set up a couple of variables here. And that's really the only variable that we need is grade. So let's write out our code. So cout, enter a grade, in the grade. Okay. So the if statement is formed by writing if and then a relational expression. So if grade is greater than or equal to 70, cout, you passed. Let's put a little enthusiasm behind that. So this is called a simple if because it really doesn't give you anything other than something to do if the relational expression is true. If the user makes a 70 or above, they passed. Otherwise, nothing else happens. So the simple if is somewhat limited in its use, but it is a valid and legitimate form. So let's run this program. So we'll enter a grade. Let's enter a passing grade, 82. You passed. So let's run it again. Put this in the middle of the screen. 64. You'll see that, nothing happens there. Okay, so that's an example of the simple if. Now, what we really want to do is provide an otherwise situation. If grade is greater than or equal to 70, you passed. Otherwise, sorry, this time you didn't pass. So the way you do that is you simply add an else underneath, like that. But we don't want to be enthusiastic about that, so we'll just put a period there. Okay, so this is called an if-else. If grade is greater than 70, write out you passed. If grade is not greater than 70, then write out sorry you didn't pass. So let's run our example. 78, you passed. Let's run it again. 68, sorry you didn't pass. And so understand you can have multiple statements inside these blocks. So inside these curly braces, you can have more than one statement. You can have as many as you need. I'm just demonstrating one, but understand that you can have as many as you need for either the if clause or the else clause or block. Sometimes they're called clauses, sometimes they're called blocks. So that pretty much wraps up what we need to see. My text has some other examples, so I think this is beneficial and all you need to see to understand exactly, the difference between the simple if and the if-else. So in another video I will describe the more complex if-else if, which is used in a lot more situations. So I'll see you in that video or another one. Bye.